Today we're going to be replacing our 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon factory bumper with an Aries Automotive modular bumper. With the replacement we're going to get a couple things: a little bit lighter weight, more aggressive styling in the appearance, and we're going to get a couple options that we don't get with the factory bumper, like putting on aftermarket rear lights and things like that we're going to use out on the trail. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have. So here's our Aries Automotive rear bumper out of the box. We're going to get our center section, the left and right corners for the rear bumper, and all the necessary hardware in order to mount it up to the frame. You're going to see we're going to get a couple different additional options over the factory bumpers, with the ability to mount additional lights up to the rear bumper, to the ports there. And Aries Automotive also gives the ability to mount up a dual exhaust, so they make it look really nice and clean. Now we have the rear bumper off. We want to remove the nut plates that are used to secure the tow hooks. They're going to be inside the frame here. So you're going to have one on each side. Just make sure you take these out, because we're going to use this space in order to mount the Aries bumper into place. Right here. Now that we have the rear bumper fitted, we're just going to firm it up and attach it to the frame here. So you're going to use a 12mm nut plate that they provide you. We're going to insert it into the frame and then bolt it up with the bolts. Now we're going to attach the side bracket right here for the bumper end. So we're just going to put these in, just hand tighten them again. We're going to lock everything down a little bit. And just repeat the same process on the other side. Now we're going to install the bumper ends onto the bumper bracket. Alright, so now we got one last bolt that's going to connect the left and right side bumpers to the center bumper. It's going to go right here. So we're just going to fit this in. And again, we're just going to hand tighten everything. Okay, so now we're going to repeat this process on the other side. Now we have all the bumper components snugged up. We're going to go through and tighten them up. You see I have a level there. We're just going to level up the bumper, make sure it's straight across. And we're just going to tighten everything down. You'll see here there's going to be 2 bolts in the corner, 2 bolts here to attach, one to the bottom. You're going to see the mounting points for the frame here. So it's going to be the same way on the other side. There's the bolt. And one bolt here. And we're going to have the frame bolts. So after we were able to get all the pieces of components on, then went back around, leveled it out, tightened down all the screws, and firmed everything up. There you go. So overall we lost a couple pounds by replacing this bumper. And then we got a couple options with the lighting that we can install into the pods there and there. And then if we're going to go to a dual exhaust later, the setup's already there that allows the exhaust tips to come out the back.